Princess of Wales, Princess Catherine is eager to make a balcony appearance for Trooping the Colour in London on June 15, even if Prince of Wales, Prince William, rejects her plan. Prince William, the heir to the throne, has been putting all his efforts to ensure that Catherine makes a smooth recovery. He has been the driving force behind the decision to maintain the strictest privacy protocols around Princess Catherine. Princess Catherine has sought shelter at the family home Adelaide Cottage with her husband William and 3 children, Prince George, Princess Charlotte, and Prince Louis. While she is thankful for the time she has been granted so far in privacy, Princess Catherine is determined to attend the important royal event, which is the Trooping of Colour.